morning. Coming to our next class. Okay, children. In chapter 3, already explained that multiplying by 10, 20, 30 and so on are 90. Already explained in previous class. Okay, children. Now explain multiplying by 100, 200, 300 and so on 900. Okay. To multiply by a number by 100, 200, 300 or and so on 900. First you multiply the given number is multiplied with 1, 2, 3 or and so on 9 and then add 2 zeros. Okay children, at the end of the product. Product means you multiply two numbers. So now we multiply the given number is multiplied with first 1 or 2 or 3 in the multiplicated. Okay. So after becomes the answer, that is called product. We multiply any two digit any numbers, we multiply any numbers becomes the answer is called product. Okay children. Now you multiply the given two numbers without zeros, given number 1 or 2 or 3 and so on or 9. So you multiply with numbers first, becomes the answer after end of the you put two zeros. Okay children. Now explain that one. See here. What is the given sum here? 264. Example sum children in your textbook. Into 100. So first 264 into 1. You do the multiplication with 264 with 1. Okay. Any number is multiplied with 1 becomes the same number. 1 1s are 1. 50 1s are 50. 24 1s are 24. Like that way 264 1s are 264. So now we'll put two zeros. End of the product here. End of the product. So 264 1s are 264. After that you put these two zeros. Okay children. Now check once. You do the multiplication normally. 264 into 100. 0 4s are 0. 0 6s are 0. 0 2s are 0. So 1s plus 0 with multiplication is completed. Now 10s plus 0 with multiplication. So 1s plus put the 0 now. So we start the answers right in 10s place. 0 4s are 0. 0 6s are 0. 0 2s are 0. Okay. Now 1s place 10s place completed. So 1s place 10s place put the zeros. Now 100s place. So now we start the 100s place the answers. 1 4s are 4. 1 6s are 6. 1 2s are 2. So do the addition here. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 4. Any number is addition with any number is added with 0 becomes the same number. So 0 plus 4 4. 0 plus 6 6. 2 write directly. So you do the multiplication normally becomes the answer 26400. You do the multiplication this way, answer is also 26400. So same answer is there. Okay children. So you do the multiplication easily. First you multiply given number without zeros. Given number you multiply. Okay, becomes the answer after put the two zeros. End of the product. Okay children. Note this example in your notebooks. Okay children, see next example. Multiply 2174 with 800. So you write here 2174 into 800. Okay children. So in easy method what will do? 2174 into 8. First you do the multiplication. So you do the multiplication 2174 into 8. Okay children. 8 4s are, read 8 table. 8 4s are 32. So write 32. 2 here, 3 next number upside. So 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 56 will be added 3. Okay. 56 after 57, 58, 59. Okay children, 59. So 59 double outside. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, children? So this is the product. Which will product? 2174 into 8 only. So 2 zeros zero there. So you put the 2 zeros there? Yes. So you write this answer 1, 7, 3, 9, 2. How many zeros you put? 100. So 2 zeros. Okay, children? One check normal addition, children. See. 2174 into 800. You do the multiplication normally here. First ones place 0. 0 4s are 0. 0 7s are 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 2s are 0. Okay. Ones place will be completed with multiplication this number. So ones place put the 0. Now tens place 0 we will multiply. 0 4 0. 0 7 0. 0 1 0. 0 2 0. Now ones place tens place completed. So put the zeros in third and ones place tens place. Now third place. 8 4s are 32. So 2 right here, 3 here. 8 7s are 56. 56 after 57, 58, 59. 3 fingers. So 59. 9 here, 5 here. 8 1s are 8. Take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 and 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. So write 0, 0, 2, 9, 3, 7, 1. So you do the multiplication 2174 into 8 becomes the product. We put the 2 zeros and you do the multiplication normally. This number will becomes the answer is also same. Okay, children? So you note that in your notebooks. Example 10. See our next one, multiplying by 1000, 2000, 3000 and so on 9000. So already explained that multiply by 10, multiply by hundreds, multiply by now thousands. Okay, thousands mean how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So see here, to multiply by a number 1000, 2000, 3000 and so on 9000, first multiply the given number by 1, 2, 3 and so on 9. So becomes the product. We put the after end of the product is 3 zeros. Why have we put the 3 zeros? Now we multiplication with 1000. Okay, we multiplication with 10 becomes the product. We put the 0, 1 0 only. We multiplication the 100. We put the end of the product. We put the zeros, 2 zeros. Now 3 zeros we put here. Why? 1000 is the 1000. So now 698 into 1000. So with multiplication with given number only 1. So 50 ones are 50, 35 ones are 35, 24 ones are 24. Like that way 698 ones are 698. So like write these 3 zeros directly. Okay, children, this is the answer. So check once. We will do the multiplication normally. 698 into 1000. multiplied with first number is number. So leave out the zeros. Okay children, leave out the zeros. So 1432 into 4. You know the 4 table children? Read 4 table. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So 2 right here, 1 next number upside. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 7 right here, 1 next number upside. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. After that we put the 3 zeros. So 5 7 2 8. How many zeros we put now? 3 zeros. Okay. Now we'll do this multiplication normally. 1432 into 4000. So first 1 plus 0 will multiply 0 2 0 0 3 0 0 4 0 0 1 0. Next 1's place completed. Now 10's place 0 0 2 0 0 3 0 0 4 0 0 1 0. So 1's place 10's place completed. So put the 2 zeros. Now 100's place 0 2 0 0 3 0 0 4 0 0 1 0. So 1's place 10's place 100's place also completed. So now 100,000's place will start the answers. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 2 here, 1 here. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So add these 4 numbers 0 0 0 0 plus 8 8 0 plus